Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your jobs lead membership, or you can say subscription. Okay, so basically the cancellation is very easy. You just need to simply follow these steps and you can cancel your subscription with jobs lead. Okay, so first of all you need to visit on the official website and you need to log in into your account, and once you logged in you need to tap on your profile icon, and this kind of options will open, like you need to select account setting. Okay, and after selecting account setting you need to scroll down, at very bottom side there is a job lead membership option. Okay, so in this area if you have taken any membership, like if you have any trial period and all, so you will see there is a option in the right side, like please click here if you wish to discontinue using premium membership benefits and cancel your membership. Okay, you need to click here, and once you click here it will pop up a new window, this kind of window. On this window you can select terminate membership. Okay, and after selecting terminate membership it will ask you reason why you want to cancel. You need to provide reason, and you need to click on continue cancellation. Okay, so by using this way you can easily cancel your jobs lead membership. Okay, so now if you have any other questions you can make a comment and I will reply you very soon. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.